Welcome to Kenny's TV, Kenny's Foreign Motor. So today we have 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee replacing this oil pressure switch. Tough place, really tough. It's easy to do, but just need a patient. This is 600, this vehicle, 3.6 straight. This is V6 3.6. This locate under intake manifold all the way in the back. Okay, it's look like a lot of work, but easy work, a lot of patience. So I'm going to share the part number. While you do this, make sure you buy the intake manifold gasket set. You buy from the dealer. Part number here. Okay, I'm gonna show the part number for the sensor. This is the sensor, oil pressure sensor part, and this is intake manifold, the part number. To take this out, you need a socket, 27 millimeter. Like you say, just socket is ready. Okay, I already removed those bolts, the 6 bolt, the plumber gasket. You take it out, the plumber intake, you take this out. 6 bolt, 1 2 3 4 5 6. What you need for this, 8 millimeter. Okay, I already removed this, and I just want to show you guys how easy to do it. Okay, so I moved this, make some room, but just move this out. Okay, basically you need a 10 millimeter to remove this bracket, which 1 2. Keep watching. Okay, right now we are on the next step. So first step, we take the plumber intake out, and this is the low intake manifold. This has 8 bolts, same thing, 8 millimeter. You can take it out and disconnect the fuel injection wire, all of them right here. This is got a 6 injector because this car is V6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so like I said, I took it out. Here you look, what a tough spot. That fuel pressure, oil pressure switch, it's right here. This is the one, see that? Right here. Okay, the sensor is right here, but there's a sensor before this. I took it out, small one. So this is 19 millimeter. Just remove it. This is the oil pressure sensor. This is the old one, and you can use a wrench or socket, but there's no room for a socket, so I'm using this wrench to lose it. This is the size. Okay, got a little room, but you still can do it tiny bit. So just tough spot. So okay, you see this, all the dirt. Yeah, where's the intake manifold? You clean up and change the new intake manifold gasket, make that engine run 100% better, just like brand new. Just want to mention this oil pressure sensor go bad. I mean, the reason is when you don't change oil on time, there's a lot of dirt going inside the sensor and set up for. See, now I lose it by my hand. Look. Okay, so it's good to replace oil on time. See, there you go. Old one, new one. 3 wires. I recommend it to buy it from the Jeep. The factory is better. Keep watching. We're going in now. Okay, this is the last part. We're gonna put everything back together. So, like I show you, where is the low intake gasket? We replaced this upper in the gasket. Look, I replaced all of them. 6 here, 6 down there. I put the ignition, the injector wires, everything back in the air. Just like it look clicked. And you see, now we're gonna put this back. So yep, it's all doing by myself. I want to show you guys how easy it is to do. Go back in there. There you go. There you go. So now you're gonna get 8mm. Put all the thing back. Bolt's gonna go back here. It's simple but need patience. And this is the bad boy. We replace the bad boy here. Sensor. And you see, I take this throw body 4 bolts, just make some room. Okay, this is the final stop for this Jeep. Okay, so we have this already the cover. Like you see, it's a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Also, we replace a oil pressure switch. So it is located under this. You can see it in the beginning of the video. This is the final thing. So now we're gonna start the vehicle. There you go. All set. Nice and quiet. Good. You see all the bolts back together, the cover. This issue is simple. It's not hard. Just need a patience to do it. You just this one is gonna go on like this. You know, just all set. I recommend you change the oil when you do the job. We already changed the oil, and this is all set. Please comment, like, subscribe, leave comment down below if you have any question about any vehicle. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's all set. Like you see the engine, 3.6. Any Chrysler, any Jeep, same. Same issue. All set. Thank you for watching Kenny's Foreign Motor.